MCKB Phoenix is presenting cooling system of PP with simulation. We have taken a die. By putting this die in PP, we have installed N95 mask cover on the PP kit. This is our PP cooler. From this side air is entering while through other side it is going out. The pink extension is made for proper circulation of air. We are using lithium battery in the device so that it can be charged and will run for 5 hours continuously. If the gadget is used for small phases, the duration will increase. The charge can be done through slot given below. It will also have battery level indicator so that the doctors will be informed about charge remaining and will have no discomfort during work. No specification is needed about the remote, which is the controller of the device. Any remote can be used to switch on and off the device. Now this is how the doctors, health workers or anyone will wear this device inside the PPE kit. As I mentioned previously, any remote can work for this device. We are using here AC remote. The fan has started. The straps can be adjusted as required. The both side tape can be used to give more stability and to overcome this little vibration that it will have. Above the both side tapes, PP cooler can be fitted. This is how it looks when it will be used by the medical staffs or any other PP kit users. The wiring and lifting of the device are very simple. The results have shown promising effect inside PP during working hours. Thank you everyone.